Hi friends, this is Dazzling Sejal and welcome to my channel. Are you all excited like me for Christmas holiday time? Maybe it's too early, but I'm already feeling the vibes. I adore lots of colors in my decor as it makes life interesting. Here I'll show you step by step on how to decorate a Christmas tree like a pro. So stay tuned. Step 1. Decide Christmas tree theme and colors. Before you go for shopping, you need some Christmas tree inspiration. Determine the look you want to achieve. Look through magazines and search through Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube for ideas. Also, decide if you want to add in some silver or gold accents. I picked red and aqua blue theme with some white and silver as accent. This combination of colors already coordinates well with all the blue and white in my home, and they are whimsical. Step 2. Gather Christmas tree decorating materials. First check from your collection what materials you have already at home. You can DIY some of them too as per your theme, like spray painting old ornaments. Collect wired ribbons, large and regular size ornaments, peaks, tree skirt or tree collar, and while shopping, stick to your color palette and style. It is easy to get off track when there are so many adorable ornaments to choose from. Step 3. Fluff tree well. To do this, I first make sure that all the branches are descended from the packed up position. Then I straighten each branch starting at the bottom and point branches in all different directions, taking care to fill any gaps. I work my way around the tree and in upwards direction. Sorry, I do not have video footage for this step. Step 4. Light up Christmas tree. If your tree is already pre-lit, skip this step. If your tree isn't already pre-lit, I recommend adding lights to one branch at a time by starting towards the base of one branch and running lights up to the tip and then back to the base, and the same for the branch beside it. This way adds a lot of depth to the lights in your tree. Step 5. Add garland and ribbon on the tree. If you are using garland, start with it, and if not, start with ribbon. Here I am using this silver garland. Make sure you use wired ribbon for your tree because it will be easier to bend in and out of the branches. There are different methods to apply the ribbon to the tree. For this tree, I am using this method. Cut a few 3-feet strips at a time. Start with one end of the ribbon and just tuck it into the tree. Come down at an angle and tuck the middle part into the tree. Now come out again for your second loop and then tuck the other end back into the tree. This way, from each piece of the ribbon, you had 2 loops strip. Go from the top of the tree to the bottom, doing the same with each strip until you have some even distribution of that ribbon color throughout the tree. Keep adding strips to the back of the tree, but don't waste your time if the back can't be seen by others. Mine is 360-degree revolving tree, so I added in back part too. Now repeat this same for other set of ribbons too. I have gone crazy with the ribbons part for this tree, but you can choose only 1 or 2 color and pattern. Step 6. Add a topper to a Christmas tree. You can make a big bow with all the ribbons you used to wrap the tree, or you can use a star. I opted for a snowman as a topper and added some peaks around it. Be creative with your topper. Step 7. Arrange ornaments on a Christmas tree. What makes a tree interesting is that it has a varying size and shapes of ornaments, although they fit into the same color scheme and theme. Remember those 2 or 3 colors you picked for the tree in the beginning? You are going to use those and possibly a neutral metallic silver, gold, rose gold, copper, etc. for your ornament colors. I laid down whichever ornaments I had in these colors and started with arranging set of two different colored ball ornaments using fuzzy sticks and hanged it to the tree with the help of the fuzzy stick, and then added all the ornaments I had in red, aqua blue, white and silver. I DIY'd some ornaments, filling some glass ornaments with fake snow and then painted dots using aqua blue nail paint. They look so cute, aren't they? Step 8. Add some accents to your Christmas tree. Add some accents to add an interesting factor. You can do this by adding various peaks or snowflakes or your special favorite memory ornaments. Step 9. Add tree skirt and under tree decor. You can add tree skirt which goes with your theme, and you can add gift boxes or extra ornaments in a bucket or a crib or holiday decor like small Christmas trees under the tree. I added red tree skirt and added train track around it and created small Christmas village under the tree with whatever I had. I have given link to some of the amazing Christmas tree decor in description box. Please buy using this link. Now you are done. Take a cup of hot cocoa and enjoy sitting around your tree with some holiday movie or music. So that's it for now. Happy holidays and enjoy every moment of the life. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.